Okay. Oh, payong. Ikea.
Sako man yan, gay na yan. Ang kapte ng price ko na. 149. Diba? 40 man, hindi ako na rin yan. They are creative. Yeah, sako. And the price is, tutok naman ni Jay.
Pang rain.
Kaya man nung napudot, mabalin.
Ang kain ani.
With the money.
Made naman ni.
149. Do you want? What do you want to eat? This one? You can put your fruits here. Yeah. What do you want to eat? According to mommy, Yayamaning.
Yayamanin ang fridge.
This is the freezer.
Freezer.
If you want the food, just put it there. And then we have the cook here.
Oven.
If you want to bake cake.
Mommy, what phone is?
Wait.
Mommy, whose phone is that?
Tita. Microwave. Oh. Mayaman na si Sisterette.
And the price is...
Padala ng Pilipinas sa kanyang mansion.
Wala pang trabaho. Ako pa yung trabaho.
My credit card.
Tangis na yun. I-apply na ako niya sa credit card.
Ang daming nag-a-apply ng credit card. Approve ka agad.
Utang na naman yan. And then,
Di bali maliit lang ang interest dito. Hindi gaya sa Pilipinas.
now when you wash,
Yan ang kitchen niya.
yan naman. Feeling, ano feeling?
Palitan niya daw yung kanyang faucet.
Nagganito. Oy, Jeremy. Sukatan mo. Oy, sukatan mo.
300 lang.
Lang ha, nilalag. Kay Alice lang yun.
Hoy,
Pero sa akin, nako, nagngina.
mahirap maghanap ng 300.
Matalimudawak na ito. Lang ni Alice, matalimudawak. Kita ang pag yanan lang, tila ng mga plastic cup. Look at the price. Sana nga.
Sana all. May
Gising ba ako? Gising ba?
meron.
And then, ganito. Ayan, metman agos na yan.
Pagkapihan, hot water.
Sana, oo. At man, maiyakan. This is Michael from Samuki. We are in Ikea, nag-shopping. What are you buying, Michael? So, Ikea. Simple but elegant. Something to buy inside. We have a guide here. And this kid wants to buy a cabinet. Look at that kid. What are you doing there? Come on. Up. Get up, boy. Okay, nablay na nalan. We are at Ikea. This one is this one.
How is this one?
Yeah, this one is the size. We go back there and we go to Min halfway tapo ko. Dumi tapo ko sa kanya.
Let's check. This is a kitchen model. Kitchen model with Ikea. Okay. So that's it. They have a model here where you can design your own kitchen by using Ikea products. Okay, so this is the dining. That is the cooking. Okay, this is a kitchen design. So you have here, up here, at the same time, that is cook time, at the same time, ano siya, cooker hood. Set of bedroom here. Bedroom design. This is the bedroom design. At man itukdos dita. Si kanan model.
Wag na. Si kanan model lang ka. Oh. Shannon model is nan IKEA bed. Bedroom. That is king size, queen size. Queen size. Oh. Lamp. May lamp. Michael.
Can you open the cabinet for me, please? Closet.
Closet.
Yeah. This is Michael. Hi. Hi, Michael. You like the bed? Do you like the bed? Yes.
300 bed frame.
Oh.
Yeah. Make up.
That is what you're going to pay for this bed. Ah, this is the living room. Kaya.
Model si IKEA. It's non-living room. With matching price. With matching price. Kano.
There, ayamot na ungay choy. And that is the price. Look, it's 1,300. Iwa? Ah. Good for husband and wife. No kids.
Pag-datean.
Ayan, pag-datean ka, no? 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. That's very good. You see? You can just come to Ikea and choose whatever you want. Oh, diba? Ang sosyal. 1,300 agos ka ng price to na. Ano yan? Hindi. Other living chair there. Yung mga sofa, everything in there. Very nice. Another set of pala set here. There. And the price to get all of that is that one. Parang bachelor's pad. Is na. Ayan. Torso. Cute. It's for children's, See this one. This is a kitchen set. As this is the curd. The other one is black kanina. Pero ito is white. Parehas mo't lang man nga model. Di kulay na lang tikwa. Diba? And if you get all of that, that is the package. $4,442. $43. So you have here the set here. The cook with the cooker hood. And then of course, the kitchen wash. Parang cute. With the refrigerator and the living room. So that is all the prices there. $4,442. So these are the sofa with the tag price attached to it. This is a sofa for the living room. Ayan. The price of this sofa is $699. Dati siyang $999. Nagiging $699. Okay. So this is Ikea in Scarborough. Nag-met shopping dito Ikea. So that is the sink. Hi. Hi. I am here in Ikea. Scarborough. Yeah. pusa. This was the bedroom. Simple one. Including me here. So, wash your hand. Hi. Hi. Yeah. This one. You open it. Just pull. No, the side. Yeah. Oh. It's nice. This is a cabinet design. Nag-awis siya. Warapot ng cabinet na side. One. Tan renovate ta.
Gold sink. Where did you put your water? Where did you put your water, Michael Joy?